Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at how to reset your oil service indicator on your BMW E60 5 Series. So to start off with, we're going to turn the ignition to position 1. Next up, we're going to press and hold the trip reset button. Once we see the service icon come up between the gauges there, we're going to let go, and then we're going to press it repeatedly until we see the icon for the oil service, which is the little oil can there. Press and hold that trip reset button again. When it comes up with reset, let go, press and hold it again. You'll see it's doing its thing there. 25,000, there we go, done. Easy as that. If you found the video useful, don't forget to give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more BMW DIY videos. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.